Hey, what's up guys, I'm Anirban and today is going to be very interesting because I'm going to unbox a product which is I ordered from Flipkart. So let's do it. As you can see the package of this product, you can see the front of this package and it is the back side. Let's quickly unbox it. As you can see, I unwrap a new plate to unbox this package. It is quite Duchy, I think. Let's cut the middle seal. This is the lower seal and the top seal. It's very tightly packed. And finally I opened it, and first of all I want to show you the bill of this product. As you can see the bill, the price is 135 rupees only. Here you can see the main package, which is John 13-piece drill bit. The model is DR13. Let's quickly cut it. As you can see the main package and nothing in the box. Let's unwrap it. As you can see, this is the main product, 13-piece drill bit from John company. I removed the seal and you can see closely see the drill bit. As you can see 13-piece of drill bit. This is the main big one, 6.5 mm, very glossy, quality is nice. Here is another 12 piece in the box. Is the back side. Let's remove all the drill bit from the case. Please hit the like button. Now I'm going to show you how to use it. So first of all I remove the seal again and open the case. I take the 5.5 mm drill bit from the case, and here is my drill. As you can see, there is the Foster drill. If you've not seen the unboxing video of this drill machine, so please check the description. I put the link in the description below. So as you can see, I try to fix it. Let's try with the chucky. Let's tightly fix it. The another one. Here you can see my electric board in here in the floor, and I plug in and switch also be on. You can hear the sound of this drill. It's nice. Here is the little piece of wood, and I am trying to make a hole using this drill and new drill bit. It's as you can see the hole there is nice. Make another one in the side. As you can see, it's very easily make a hole. It's nice. I think is my drill and the wood block. So thanks for watching this video.